Why, hello. How are you doing, everybody? So, what I'm doing right now, ooh, mood lighting. Ooh, no mood lighting, mood lighting. Oh. Anyway, had to take a little bit of a break. I am sore as fuck. And I got tied into being the extra set of hands and foot right now for Brandon. So right now we have the 1977 Sierra Grande, and with that it is having a low voltage issue. So anytime we have the windshield wipers on and off, or if we have the lights on, or we're stopped at a stop sign or anything like that. Hold up, Brandon's hollering at me. Anyway, we stop at a stop sign or anything like that, we end up losing the voltage. So right now we're testing the alternator. So what's happening right now is when you go ahead and you take the truck, you put it in drive, put your foot on the brake like you're at a stoplight, right? All of a sudden, voltage drops, like way low, okay? So we don't know if it's an issue with maybe the light switch itself. One of the other switches possibly have something going on. We're checking alternator now, and then we did do the battery cables and all that stuff. So, yeah, and Brandon's out there giving me signals. So, and then as soon as you put it in park again, see, I start crawling. What do y'all think? Instantly. So as soon as he moves, I expect him to come and tell me, it's the alternator. How are we doing, Big Daddy? Is it the alternator?
Well, I'm not sure. It's not showing 12 volts, it's showing 11.
It's showing 11?
Yeah.
Okay, well, for the viewers, this is what I'm going to do since we're right here. So what's been going on is Brandon has been driving Pecos, our 1977 Sierra Grande, to and from work. What has been happening, we kind of went over that a second ago. So when you're running and you're stopping at a stoplight, we have our lights on, we have our windshield wipers on, and when it's in gear, let me put this right here with everything going. Not sure if you can see that or not. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see here. Thanks, babe. You want to bring it up just a little more? Oh, I guess it's, can you come towards me? Thank you, everybody. Okay, so now we're going to put it into gear. And instantly. So what we did is we checked the battery cables, we tested the battery, tested the alternator, tested things. What do you guys think? Because it will start going down until it almost dies. Lose the voltage. Anyway, let us know. It was kind of a, I feel like we should tell ghost stories. Ew, this is going online. Stop.
Perfect. Way too much. Perfect.
Ew.
Yeah.
No,
I don't know what's going on. The voltage regulator might have hand lowered a turd there, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, because right now, can you shine the light back over there? I'm going to put it back in park. All right, so put it down in the comments. What do you think? This is where we're at. Let's go. There we go. I'm not sure if you guys can see that bad camera angle. You're welcome, Marco. Anyway.
That's not in park.
I know, that's not. I said I was going to put it back in it. Anyway, this is all the fun. So, oh, here we go. We'll just do it again. Right back up, and it's going to start building again.
It didn't go up this time.
Yeah, it did. It went to the line.
It's got to be up by 13.
I know, but it's starting to come back up already. So, anyway, put it in the comments. I might edit that part out, or I might leave it. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, is this going to turn into a Chad video? Should we turn it into a Chad video? Babe, what do you think?
I think
we should turn it into a Chad video?
Campfire stories with Honest Peyton Speed Shop.
Yes!
Super spooky.
Ooh. Ridiculous. Bye, guys.